Day 4. Looks like the chief's not here. Next, one of the historians pull out the device, pushes the only button on it. After a brief flash, she recognizes the interior of the Suez monitoring station. As the search of the chief continues, the smaller fool lives on the station tucks her shirt. She would like to know if you could help her with the word search. She only has to find one word: Xmas. This word search allows words to be horizontal, vertical, diagonal, written backwards, or even overlapping. It's a little unusual though, as you don't merely need to find one instance of Xmas, you need to find all of them. Here are a few ways Xmas might appear, where irrelevant characters have been replaced with dot. The actual word search will be full of letters instead. For example, there's word search Xmas occurs a total of 18 times. Here, the same word search again, but where letters are not involved and Xmas have been replaced with dot. Take a look at little else word search. How many times does Xmas appear? X, 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 X. This, okay. It can be diagonally, horizontal, vertical. So I solved it and I got the answer for 2599. And part 2 is a misunderstanding. You flip over the word search to find that this isn't actually an Xmas, it's an X-mas puzzle in which you are supposed to find two MAS in the shape of X. So it's an MAS in the shape of X. Okay, let's go to my Java solution. You can go through the question here. My solution has both the paths here. So I create up the grid for the whole input text. Then for part 1 we check the count of Xmas. For every X I go on the search to check for MAS. Have the direction set in for right, left, down, up, down, right, up, left, and down, left. Then using any of these for all of these directions actually. Check for the bounds if it is in the grid, otherwise you have to return 0. If we add it to our search set, then if the next target word is not what we are looking for, then we return 0 for the same word. If the word is found, we return 1. For each of these directions we increment the count. If we found the Xmas in any of these directions, so that is how I am solving in kind of a traversal manner for part 1. For part 2 I have kind of looked through for each of the rows and column of the grid, and for every diagonal iteration, top left, bottom right, and top right, bottom left. I'm going through the crossword and incrementing the count. If we come across Xmas in inverted or in the correct order, that gives us the count. I'll add the link to my solution in GitHub. Share out any solutions that you all have in mind. If there's a better performing one, I think there may be a better approach to solve this, or yeah, share out your solutions. I would like to check out if there are better ones. Thank you.